maganda ang buhay. Ma'am, Sir. My name is Saly Reginio from HE11 Amity. And for today's video, I will show you how to packing, unpacking, storing, and preparing the luggage guest management. Packing. Before packing the guest luggage, ask permission to the guest. After receiving permission, secure the luggage on a flat surface, either on the bed or table. Put shoes in the plastic bag with soles flat against sides of luggage. Fold the clothes properly. Packing luggage should be neat and quick to avoid disturbing the guest. Secure the packaging of the valuable things. Show respect and thank to the guest. Place aside the shoes requiring the right position. Clean and polish the shoes in pairs. For clothes that have yet to be ironed, put it on hangers and put in the cabinet. Be careful unpacking of the valuable things. Avoid damages and loss. Treat it with care and respect.
Your touch on my skin, pull
Check and clean the luggage as you unpack. Show respect and deal with the guest's request.